G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at 12 Vanda Street in the popular Bayside suburb of Urangan. Let's go and take a look around. This sound block home was completed around 1983 and has been well maintained and refurbished over time. Positioned on a spacious 608 square metre allotment in the highly sought after Bayside location of Urangan, easy walking distance to the Urangan Central Shopping Centre, Aldi's and fast food outlets including Golden Chicken, MacDonalds and KFC. Not to mention other key amenities all within minutes of this home, including the Urangan Marina and boat ramps, the Hervey Bay Boat Club, Botanic Gardens, Esplanade, beach, cafes, restaurants and the iconic Urangan Pier. With rental vacancy rates as tight as we've ever seen them across Hervey Bay, there has never been a better time to invest in our local property market, and this property currently has a reliable long-term tenant in place. The open plan living and dining area does form the heart of the home and also includes the kitchen. The kitchen offers ample bench and storage space and includes a new electric stove with a range hood. This home includes 3 bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, split system air conditioning and a built-in wardrobe. The bathroom features a shower over the bath, a vanity and there is a separate toilet. The laundry is located to the rear of the carport and offers direct access out to the clothesline. Vehicle accommodation includes a single carport with covered access into the home, and you've also got clear side access through the 6x6 double bay shed to the rear. Homes in this price point and location are rare and sure to be in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.